Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Schlage number 35-056. That means this is a control key with an embossed face on one side. It will be blank on the other, and the reason it's blank on the other is it gives you some room to stamp something there should you need. It also is stamped control because it is a control key, and a control key is used to insert and remove Schlage full size or large format Schlage removable cores. Full size FSIC, full size interchangeable core, different from SFIC, small format, or LFIC, large format. This is for Schlage interchangeable core, not small format, not compatible with anyone else's systems, just Schlage's. This would be the Schlage control key, and you know that because it's got the extra length with the cut that's here that will allow the control pin to be activated. Normal blanks do not have that sort of feature to make contact with the control pin. This is a 1368 keyway. That means it's a paracentric keyway. Paracentric is, the way I understand it, is paracentric is a term used to identify a keyway whose profile, its very keyway, passes the center line of the broaching in the cylinder. So this keyway will have grooves, or will permit the keyway to enter into the broaching of a cylinder where there are wards in the side of the key plug, allowing it to pass. And paracentric, I understand, is when a keyway crosses the vertical center line of a broaching multiple times. Most keyways do. Not all do, but most keyways do, right? Schlage uses the term paracentric in addition to probably what I understand the locksmith definition to mean they're restricted key blanks. Now, we can sell these to you. There's no problem with that in the sense that they're not unobtainable when I use the word restricted, but always a letter of authorization will accompany an order for restricted or Schlage's paracentric key blanks. Now, the 1368 is a key number, and I'm not an expert on the different keyways of paracentric, at least at the time of making this video, I'm not. But researching online, a numbered or paracentric restricted keyway is a large family of keyways expressed as four numbers. No zeros, and not that every possible keyway is, but a 1368. Not every possible combination of four digits are used. There's no zeros, there are no nines. Each digit represents the presence of a notch in the keyway and a corresponding protrusion along the blade of the key. The odd digits, 1, 3, 5, and 7, extend along the left side of the keyway, as observed from the lock face. Some people you might find referring it to the finger side. The even numbers are on the right side, or the thumb side, or when you're looking into the cylinder, the left is on the left. For me, the left is on the left, the right is on the right. Finger side, thumb side. Right side, thumb side. To clarify, to make sure I didn't get that screwed up, the thumb side, which would be the are the odd numbers as it pertains to the profile. The finger side is the even numbers in. So the 1, 3, 6, 8, your odd numbers are going to relate to the thumb side, assuming that you're right-handed. Which would be the left side when you're looking into the cylinder. Okay. Now, one can study those notches on the key blank to be able to derive the keyway. The point of the matter, the purpose of this video is not to derive those different keyways, because I don't have examples of all the keys here. But that's where the number comes from. So this is what a 1368 looks like. You could very easily have a 4-digit number that will give you many different keyways, such as common. 1368 is common. 1467 we bump into occasionally. 1347 we bump into occasionally. And there are, it looks like there's probably another 30 or so that are numbered keyways. At the time of this video, I do not have a paracentric family tree of keyways to find out if it's, you know, how it would work in a multiplex sort of scenario. And hopefully by the time you see this video, I will have acquired such a drawing if it exists. Anyway, this is a 1368 control key blank by Schlage, naturally. Finally, also there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the 35056 in a 1368 keyway or any other Schlage product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.